If you're looking for a delicious, juicy crock-pot ham recipe, then you're going to want to keep watching. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, today I have a crock pot ham recipe for you and I can't wait to share it. This is so easy, you can just plop it in and go. So let me quickly go over all the ingredients and we'll get started. All right, so we have some ground cinnamon, some ground cloves, Dijon mustard, crushed pineapple, ground nutmeg, a spiral ham, and some brown sugar. And friends, that is all the ingredients. So let's go ahead and get this in. Told you friends, not a lot of ingredients, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, my friends, we're gonna start with our Dijon mustard. We're just going to squirt it over. It's about a tablespoon or so. And then I'm taking my little handy dandy brush, and I do have a spiral. So I'm just kind of, I'm splashing it on me already. Lordy be. And I'm just getting in there. And this did come with its own brown sugar glaze, but honestly, the last two times I made it with the glaze, I did not like the glaze. So I'm just opting to make my own. And now we're gonna go ahead and pour in, I have a 20-ounce can, crushed pineapple, juice and all. Okay, same deal. Just get as much in there as we can. Smells good already, friends. And as you can see, my ham just fit in my crock pot. I need to find out, I didn't look at the size of it, so I will definitely put that on the bottom of the screen right here so you know what size my ham is. Alrighty. And then I'm gonna, my brown sugar. We're gonna go ahead and take a cup of brown sugar. Get that in there. I like to get them in. Go. So delicious. Oh, you can smell it. And then I'm going to take my ground cinnamon, and it's just, oh, that was way too much in that one spot anyway. It's just about a little bit about a teaspoon, that's all. I wish you guys could smell this. Then I have some ground nutmeg, same deal. Just enough to taste. And then I have some ground cloves. And that is it, friends. It's that simple. That simple. All right, let me wash my hands and then we'll go ahead and get this turned on. All right, my friends, we're gonna put this on low, and I'm gonna put it in for about 3.5 hours. And then I'll check it to make sure it is heated all the way through. All right, my friends, it is now dinner time. Sorry I had to change clothes because it was so ungodly hot today, and I had a sweatshirt on and jeans. When I got home, oh my gosh, I was sweating so bad. I had to pull my hair up, change clothes, all that good stuff. But anyway, when I first got home, I did take the lid off and do a little bit of stir and took some of the juice and poured over top of it. So now I'm gonna go ahead, take it out, and we'll slice it up and do a quick taste test. So let's turn the camera down and we'll get it out real quick. Alrighty, here we go. I had just taken some of this juice and just poured it over top when I was earlier. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get this out. Let me move this out of the way so I don't knock it on the floor. And we'll just throw it on this tray real quick and slice it up. Alright, my friends. So we can get this out without dropping it, because you all know this is just has my name all over it. Y'all know I have kitchen mishaps. Let's see. Is it gonna happen? Oh, I did it. I'm shocked I didn't drop it. I'm shocked, shocked. Probably should unplug that. So let me go ahead, cut a few slices off, and we'll do a quick taste test. All right, my friends, here we go. And do a quick little taste test. I'm making some white corn and mashed potatoes to go with this. So, but we want to do a quick taste test of the ham. I love ham. I can taste the cloves in there. A little bit of the nutmeg, cinnamon. Am I right? I don't really taste any of the pineapple though. That's very interesting. I'll put a little bit on there. Oh, hot. Highly recommend putting some of that leftover juice on top. Highly recommend. Really, really kicked it up a notch. I don't know why I didn't think of that. Got all that goodness in that pot. Alright, so let me just finish eating and then we'll close this video out. All right, my friends, so that'll do it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you've ever made it like this, let me know below. Or if you've made it a different way, I'd love to hear how you make yours in the crock pot. So friends, thanks so much for joining me. If you haven't already, please go ahead, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And also, if you haven't already, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.